Nature gives us life. Cities help us live. But which one is better for life? Today, let's explore nature's jungle versus the concrete jungle. What is nature's jungle? Nature's jungle is full of trees and plants, animals and birds, rivers and fresh air. Everything in nature works together. Trees give us oxygen, animals find food and shelter, and nature keeps life in balance. What is a concrete jungle? A concrete jungle is made of tall buildings, busy roads, and crowded cities. People live and work here. Cities give us comfort and technology, but they are made of concrete, not trees. Air clean versus dirty. In nature's jungle, the air is clean and fresh. Trees give us oxygen to breathe. In the concrete jungle, vehicles and factories create smoke. This makes the air polluted and unhealthy. Water pure versus polluted. Nature gives us clean rivers and rainwater. This water helps plants, animals, and people live. In cities, water often becomes polluted, and clean water slowly disappears. Animals and birds. Nature's jungle is a safe home for animals and birds. In the concrete jungle, many animals lose their homes, and some even disappear forever. Temperature. Nature versus city. Trees give shade and keep the earth cool. Concrete buildings trap heat, making cities hotter and uncomfortable. Effect on human health. Being close to nature reduces stress and makes us feel happy and calm. City life can be noisy and stressful, and pollution can harm our health. Can concrete jungle survive without nature? Cities need oxygen from trees. Water comes from forests. Food grows from soil. Without nature, no clean air. No water. No life. So friends, which is better for life? Nature's jungle is better for life. But cities are also important. The best solution is green cities, with more trees and open spaces. Green cities with more trees. What can we do? Save nature, save the future. Plant more trees. Save water. Reduce pollution. Create green cities. Let's turn our concrete jungles into green jungles. Nature gives us life. Let's protect it before it's too late. Remember, small actions make a big difference. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for amazing stories and facts. See you in the next video.